Kyoto, a city where tradition and innovation intersect. Our Kumiyama site in Kyoto is where we manufacture our digital presses. Parts management. Unit assembly. Final assembly and wiring. Adjustment and shipping. Production statuses and inspection results are managed digitally in real time, enabling continuous improvement of conditions and production quality. And these units are connected together to complete the product. This cutting-edge technology enables high resolution. As a final inspection, our engineers visually check all print results to verify. As always, our mission is to enrich lives and continue to make the world more colorful.